Yes, everybody, good morning. It is time for your daily edit. This is number 8. I can't believe we're on the 8th one already. So get your editing caps on and let's get started. We have 3 tricky sentences today that we have to try and fix. Ready? Here we go. And of course, you know what you need. A piece of paper. Wait a minute. Uh, and a pencil? Oh, wait, that's not right. I think I messed this up. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can fix this. Okay, this should be right. Wait a minute. No, that's still not right. Okay, let me see if I can try it. Ah, there we go. Right. A piece of paper, our happy pencil, and yes, write daily edit 8 at the and your name at the top. Okay, here we go with number 1. So, number 1. She lives near Lee, Kevin, and Max. She lives near Lee, Kevin, and Max. There are several errors here, but I'm not going to give you any more hints than that. Write this bad sentence down. Hmm. Are you in deep thought? Let's take a look at it. Well, if you have been paying attention, you'll know that there's a problem at the beginning and the end of this sentence. There are some other problems here. We have a list of names. What are we going to do about that? We have a list and it's a list of names. Let's take a look. So, of course, we have to start with a capital letter. And because Lee, Kevin, and Max, they have to be capitalized. And yes, we need a period. And is there anything else missing? Yes, the comma, of course. And as I've told you several times already, the comma before and is not always needed. Okay, some books want you to use it. Some of them say you can ignore it. I don't use it, but it's good to know that some people put it there. Okay, how many of these did you get? There were a lot. Let's go to the next one, which might be even trickier. Okay, here we go. That was a really strong kick. That was a really strong kick. Write this down while you're thinking about it. See how many errors you can find. And let's move on. So, that was a really strong kick. Is that what this says? Because if we read it very carefully, we'll see that something's not right at the end. Of course, we know there's a problem in the beginning, there's a problem at the very end, and there are 2 problems here with the last 2 words. So let's take a look at the sentence. That, capital T, was a really strong kick. I wrote that was a really string kick. It can't be a string kick. What's that? And remember what we said about words that end with a k sound. If it's a one syllable word, that k is going to be ck, like kick and lick and pack and sock and so on. Okay, so it's going to be CK. If it's more than one syllable, it'll probably be C, like magic, tragic, and sonic. All right, and of course we have punctuation missing at the end. And if you listen to the way I read it, that was a really strong kick. I'm pretty excited in that sentence, so I should use an exclamation mark. Okay, number 3. Could I have some milk with my lunch, please? Could I have some milk with my lunch, please? Take a close look at this one as you write it down and see if you can find all of the mistakes. Think carefully. So how many mistakes did you find? There are actually quite a few. Of course, we know how to start a sentence now. So boys and girls, when I give you a writing assignment, you're never going to start with a lowercase letter, right? Because we've seen so many examples where we've had to fix that first letter. So that needs to be fixed. And what is this? Could I have some mickle? I've never had mickle before. Is it good? What's that supposed to be? And could I have some mickle with my lunch? What is lunch? I don't know. If you thought that the comma was a mistake, actually, it is not. A comma usually goes before the word please when we ask for something. And the way I read it, it was a question. So we have a problem here as well. So here's what it should look like. Okay, there's our capital C because it's starting the sentence. This is how we spell milk. It ends with a blend, just like we learned in foundations. Could I have some milk, not mickle, with my lunch, please? We have a digraph blend. Okay. And we need a question mark. Okay, this one was tricky. Did you get them all correct? If you didn't, that's okay. No matter what, I'm sure you did a great job. And you know, that last example mentioned milk, and now I really want a glass of milk, just like a frosty glass with maybe a peanut butter and banana sandwich or a cookie. Ah, I want some good milk right now. Okay, I'm going to go see if I can find some. And you have a great day.